Hi guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to do a flip-flop between the Ethereum network and the Binance network. So a flip goes between Ethereum and Binance and flop goes the other way. So first thing we need to do if we want to flip is send our GCAC tokens to this address. I'm just going to copy that into my MetaMask. So I'm just going to do 0.1 GCAC tokens just to show you. So just confirm this. And now that's the main part of your flip done. What we need to do now is make sure that our MetaMask wallet is set up to show the Binance Smart Chain version as well. You can see I have it here already, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So click Custom RPC and just input all of this data. So for network name, Smart Chain, new RPC URL is bsc.dataseed.binance.org. Chain ID is 56, symbol is BNB, and the block explorer is BSC scan. So now I'm going to use this, and once our tokens have been transferred over, you'll see we have our 0.1 GCACs. We're also going to transfer you some BNB just so you can do your first transactions on PancakeSwap. If we want to go the other way, we're going to need to burn our tokens, so we're going to use myetherwallet.com. We're just going to check that our MetaMask is still in the smart chain. Access my wallet, MuCX. And now you can see, if I refresh this, we have 0.1 GCAC BEP20 tokens in our wallet. So what I'm going to do is interact with contract, test. This is all going to be nonsense, so you can just get rid of all of this. Instead, paste in this address, which is the GCAC BSC address. You're also going to clear all of this, and now all you need to do is just literally copy and paste all of this code. There's a good bit of it, but all you need to do is just copy and paste. You don't need to worry about it. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, find burn. Now we're going to input our amount, but as you can see on the Word document, this is going to count 18 decimals. That's very important. So from the example here, this is going to equal 1 GCAC token. That's 18 zeros. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste that. Just delete a 0 because I want to do 17 zeros so that it equates to 0.1 GCACs, which is what I'm going to flop back over. You can leave the value underneath the 0 and just write that. Confirm this on your MetaMask. And now that's stage 1 of the flop done. So now you can see that just those tokens are gone. That's stage 1 done. So now stage 2, we need to send the same flip address, Ethereum, to cover the transaction fees. These won't be much at all, but once you do that, then your ERC20 tokens will be unlocked into your wallet. So how much ETH do we need to send? You can go to abby.ch, press crossfly flip-flop, and now if we refresh this, we'll see the most up-to-date amount we need to send based on the UTC time. So just send that across. Confirm, and we'll just wait a few minutes until it transfers over. Well, hey, there we go. Okay, so we've now successfully flopped our tokens back over. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you'll benefit from being able to do this from now on. And as always, I'm always available in the Telegram group to help. And yeah, let me know if this is helpful and if I can clarify anything else. Thank you.